Hi guys, here I am, the man without the mask, and I'm here to talk to you about mixtures and compounds. Now, hopefully the man with the mask introduced it pretty well. Since we've been talking about the periodic table of elements, that naturally takes us to the next part of chemistry, which is understanding the difference between compounds and mixtures. It's not really difficult if you just let yourself understand it with kind of some common sense language. So let's first talk about what a mixture is. A mixture is something like this granola, something you'd find in the kitchen, and it's substances mixed together. You can actually see it. The chocolate chips, the marshmallows, the granola, that's a mixture. They're physically pushed together. That means they're put together manually, physically pushed together. A compound is totally different. A compound is chemically bonded. And some common compounds that you'll find in the kitchen are water, H2O, hydrogen and oxygen chemically bonded together. In fact, if you separated a compound, it wouldn't look anything like it does as water, for instance. If you separated out the hydrogen and the oxygen, it wouldn't look at all like water. But if you separated out a mixture, the chocolate chips would still look like the chocolate chips. The marshmallows would still look like the marshmallows. The granola would still look like the granola. So a compound is bonded chemically. I'll give you another example. Table salt. Table salt is a very common chemical compound. It's elements that are bonded together chemically, not physically. Now, whenever I start thinking about this stuff, I start looking up interesting experiments. And I found a whole bunch of them with table salt, a whole bunch of them with water. And in watching the table salt ones, I'm going to show you those in another video today because they're fun. And maybe you'll want to try some of these at home since we can't do them in the classroom. I'm going to show you one that's pretty simple. I did the one with the, you're going to see with the shoelace and the ice. That was pretty cool. But I want to show you this one here. If I take regular water and I pour some salt in it, and then I take a dirty penny, and you'll see this, and I try to clean off the dirty penny in the salt and water, and I stir it in there really well for a while, it doesn't really do that good a job of cleaning it off. But if I take a different substance, say vinegar, and I pour vinegar in here, and now I put salt in with the vinegar, I'm going to put the salt in here. Now I take my same penny, my dirty penny. See my dirty penny? Let's see, get the other side of it there where you can see it's dirty. And now I go around with it in here. Look at that. Now that's a shiny penny. Fun experiments. You'll be watching them right now. Experiments you can do with a compound, a common compound, salt, another common compound, water. Thanks, guys.